Hello, it's day 4. Welcome to our Nobody Watch channel. And some people tell me, if you shoot any more food, I'm not going to watch you. Today, the channel will be on travel essential. 唔係你 essential 係 essential travel essential. I'm going to show you what I've been bringing to overseas shoot year after year, and these are all the essential items that I will need. Yeah, I cannot keep up with the accent. Okay, this is a very important item for me. Okay, this is a Sona brand travel boiler, travel pot. Okay, the wires are nicely coiled in here. It's Sona brand, and it's international as well. You can use voltage for 110 as well as 220, and it packs very nicely. See, everything closes very nicely and very neatly. Okay, so that's why I like it. When you travel to remote countries, this is really quite necessary. And oh, I don't keep this first, because hotels and all that might not have the cooking facilities. But for countries like this where food is abundant, of course you don't really need something like that. But this has gone through very remote places with me, and to complement this is a collapsible bowl. Okay, this is a silicone collapsible bowl. It folds really flat, and you can use this to cook instant noodles. Okay, this, I'll put the brand in the link. I don't even know how to read this. Okay, to complement that, a set of travel cutlery that you can buy. This is a free gift. Okay, but you can get this too. Okay, that comes with chopstick, spoon, fork, and straw. If you want to be environmental, bring your own straw and a straw cleaner. Okay. Oh, not to forget this. Okay, this is a collapsible cup. This is a collapsible cup. Don't make me fight there. It's a bit tight now. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you see, collapsible cup. This is from Simi brand, Stojo. Okay, there are a lot of knockoffs. This is probably one of the Kickstarter, one of the pioneers. And then yeah, there are plenty of China knockoff, which has a lot of BPA if you want. But this is BPA free, and yeah, it's very good. Just in case it's too hot for you, they so thoughtful. You have this ring that you can slide up, okay, to hold everything in place so that it doesn't like collapse. It's quite thoughtful, right? Because if you don't have this ring, everything might just then you spill burn your face or burn your hand. Okay, so this is actually very good. You slide this up, okay, and makes the whole cup very sturdy. Then you can enjoy that awesome cup of coffee. So hot, in a beautiful backdrop with beautiful mountains behind you. Okay, so this is my travel cup, collapsible travel cup, okay, which I love very much. Okay, let me put this all aside. Okay, so much so for my cooking. Next, what should I show you? Of course, this is also a travel essential. Nowadays, of course, it's good to have air freshener, okay? That will kill 99.9% of the germs. They never dare to commit 100% of the germs, okay? And sometimes if you have funny smell in the hotel room and all that, okay, it is very necessary to have something that you like, some smell that you like. Next, this is a very nice item, okay? Travel adapter. Okay, this brand is called Mojix. Okay, this is one of the best travel adapter I found in the market. Why? Because it is also a multi adapter. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 extensions that you can plug, whatever plug lah. Okay, so this is how you use it. You open it up. Okay, it creates an extension as well. And at the same time, it also has 2 USB slots. I don't know whether it's high powered, but I'll put a link on my YouTube so that you know where to buy this. I think this is a very very good buy. The next item that's very important is a selfie stick. You know, when you go traveling, you want to suit yourself, you want to suit you and your family, and your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, yeah, you get the picture, So yep, this is very important, so that you can put it there. And I found that this base is actually very good. It's sturdy enough, you know. If you go to places that the wind is very strong, then the tripod will and fly everything and will fall down. And you go, you know, it happens before, right? So this is a very very good tripod, and it extends out this way, and you can see. And it's this is a DJI tripod. You can buy it online or on DJI store or in the shops. Okay, very good, very sturdy, and it extends out this way. So you can see the other tripods that that are available only extends out this way. So you know, when you put the selfie stick very high, it's quite dangerous. So this one as well. So you see, all like that. Propeller. Okay. So this is still a very good buy. I've been using this forever lah. This has been with me for I think 3 years. Okay, you can see. This very premium looking is a Momax selfie stick. It's called a Momax Pro. I can put the link as well. Okay, so yeah, this is very good. It serves me for many trips. That some shots you wonder, how come some people when I'm traveling alone, how come who take for me one? I put on this selfie stick. Okay, next, wow, some hotel rooms, the speaker or the TV and all, they just cannot make it right, the sound, and sound is very very important for me. So this has been with me for at least, since it launched. I'm not sure if it's 5 years or 4 years ago, and I'm still using it. It's fantastic. This is generation 1, now it's generation 3 or generation 2. This is the Bose Soundlink Mini. Okay, it's been with me to a lot of countries. Mongolia, Morocco, Greenland, Iceland. When the night is silent, you just play your favorite music on here. And you look at the size, the sound is amazing. You can find other reviews that let you listen to the sound, but it's really, for its size, it's really an amazing speaker. You just don't know where the bass comes from. Put it against the wall, and it will reflect the bass, and it's really amazing. The sound is bigger, way bigger than this. Trust me. And it's very sturdy. It's 5 years already, and it's still serving me very well. Next, travel essential. This is the Sony WH-1000XM. This is version 2. Okay, this is XM2. I think now it's XM4, and the clarity is fantastic, and the noise cancellation and the comfort is great. Hope that I didn't bore you too much. Some of my friends who have been following my quarantine days text me and say, hey, I'm sorry that you're having so much bad food in Taipei, and they gave me some recommendation. I'm going to go and try them, and I'm surprised that people actually watch. So thank you for watching. I told them as long as one person watch, I will continue to do this. Alright, till tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be an interesting day because tomorrow is swab test.